Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will learn how to remove one column's value from another column if exists in Excel file using UiPath. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I want to scrape data including name and address from one website. As you can see in the image, we got name and address here. I want to scrape and put this in separate columns. But when scraping was done, name is also included in address column because both values are coming under the same tag. Now we just need to remove the names from address column. I am sure this will be possible in Excel using some formula, but I am going to do it in UiPath. We will achieve our goal to clean up the data in a couple of very easy steps. First, we will read the Excel data in data table. Then we will clean the address column from data table row by row. After cleaning the data table, we will save the data into new Excel file. Let's start building the process. Place the first read range activity to ready the data from Excel into data table. Set the path of Excel file and sheet name in the activity to read Excel file. Give the data table variable as output in which Excel data will be filled. We are done with first step of reading Excel data. Now next step is to go row by row of data table and update the address column. To do this, we will use the for each row in data table activity. Place the assign activity inside for each, so we will update the address column value and assign back to same column inside for each iteration. We can use replace function to remove the name from address column. If you have programming experience in any language, then you can implement any string manipulation method according to your own logic. We don't need to add or update the updated data row in data table. This assign activity will automatically update the address column value in data table. Let's create a new Excel file in which we will save the updated data table. Create same two columns in it. Now let's start the third and last step, in which we will save the updated data table into newly created Excel file. We can use the Excel application scope activity to save the data table into Excel file. Place the Excel application scope activity and set the file path to update. Inside this activity, use the write range activity to write the data table data into Excel file. Now set the properties of the activity, give the data table in which we have data to write in Excel file, sheet name and starting cell is A2 as we want to start writing our data into Excel file from A2 cell. Because we have added headers in A1 and B1 cells. Our process is ready now. We are done with all three steps. First, reading data, second, update data and third, insert updated data into new Excel file. Now let's run the process. I am putting the breakpoint on first step so we can go step by step and watch the results. Close down all the Excel files which will be used in this process, otherwise we will get the exception the process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. First step is done, it means we got all the data into data table now. Now second step, updating the address column row by row. After updating the data, we are good for final step to save the data into new Excel file. Here you can see the updated data is pasted into Excel file. Now open the both Excel files to verify the data if our data successfully updated. Here you go, our data is updated as required. Name is removed from the address column of all rows. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, thought or feedback please share them in the comments section.